Hello friends, welcome to MRout YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am painting a bird enjoying sunset view. I am using acrylic colors to paint this painting. I use 5 colors: red, blue, yellow, white and black. In today's painting, we will learn how to do shading with warmer effects. To do the sun, first layer the base, then I used golden yellow color and shaped the sun, and to the downwards I just blended the colors so that it could give a good effect of sunset. Here you can see the feathers to the back side of the bird are white in color, so I am giving a cool effect by painting with blue color. And for the feathers, as you know, feathers are just lightweighted and are transparent, so during the sunset the feathers gives a little warm effect, so I'm just mixing my red and yellow color to give a little warm effect to the feathers. Here you see. If you liked my video, please hit the like button, and for more videos please do subscribe and share among your friends, and please keep supporting me. Thank you.